Hey guys, what's up? So in this quick video I'm going to show you how you can get the fortune teller filter on TikTok. So to get this effect, go here. This is the effects gallery. Okay, now I'm in trending section. Here slide right until you see interactive. Go there. Now slide up. Okay, and remember this image. This is the effect. Tap on it. Okay, and you got the effect. Wait for it to see. Okay, and suppose you are not getting the effect like this from effects gallery, then what you can do, go to discover and search for fortune teller. On the top row you will see the effect icon. Just tap there and you will be directed to the effect page. Now from here you can add it to your favorites, and at the bottom of the page you will see try this effect. Just tap there. Okay, and likewise also you can get this effect. Okay, and suppose you are not getting the effect from discover, then what you can do, let me go back. Okay, visit this website. Link to this website I'll give you in the description box below. So here in this website you will see the effect icon. Just tap on the effect icon and open it with TikTok. You need to open it with TikTok. Okay, and again you will be directed to the effect page. Now tap on the record button at the bottom of the screen, and that's it. So that's it guys. Likewise you can get this fortune teller filter on TikTok. So thanks for watching the video guys. See you in the next video.